Hello guys, welcome back to the weather radar. So I'm just going to give y'all a second to listen to what's going on outside. So here you go. So yeah, it is pouring down rain at this very minute. We're supposed to get 1 inch of rain. Wait, I don't think. So showers likely and possibly a thunderstorm this evening. Then some lingering showers still possible overnight. Low 46 west winds shifting to north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance for rain 100%. And tomorrow, 51 degrees, partly cloudy skies, high 51, winds north at 15 to 20 miles per hour. Higher wind gusts possible. And mostly clear sky. Hard freeze expected, low 28, winds light and variable. So tomorrow will be the last day for me to be recording on this channel, guys. So yeah, this is what we're in right this second. This is what I'm in. Huntsville is in an airport warning. Looks like Mississippi's getting some heavy rain. And these could be some severe thunderstorm warnings or severe thunderstorms. I'm actually going to take a look at, wait, wrong one. Way 31, ABC News. I'm going to take a look at the radar. And I'm going to actually see what's going on here. So, we need to see, what I'm looking for is lightning. Is there any lightning? There's actually no lightning. There is a bunch of warnings up here. Weather advisory. Wind warning. So yeah, up there, but let's see. So wind speed. Low winds. So nothing much. I don't see any lightning, so that is a good thing, meaning we're not going to have too much of severe weather. But this was this morning. This was also this morning. See, it said rainfall around a half of an inch. Now it's different. So this was today. Then they said that partly cloudy skies, high 51, winds north at 10 to 20 miles per hour for tomorrow. But not true. And they switched it back, see? But yeah. That's rain update and stuff like that. Just for this area, since there's nothing much going on except in Michigan. But I'm not going to cover for that today or tomorrow because I'm going to cover for here since we're supposed to have high wind. So we got to go take down other stuff that can blow around and stuff. I'm probably going to be in town most of the time tomorrow because you will hear the news on the computer, but or on my other channel, the country vlog. But thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Bye bye.